I'm going to show you step by step how to make this beautiful etched mirror with a personalized ribbon. First, we create a stencil. I designed this and cut it from vinyl using my cutting machine. Because we're making a stencil, you weed the opposite of normal. Everything you want etched stays open, and everything you want to protect stays covered with vinyl. I'm using black vinyl because I have a lot of it, but honestly, use any color you don't care about, since you'll throw it away after. Once your stencil is ready, apply transfer tape on top. Start from one side and slowly press it down to avoid bubbles. Make sure all the small pieces stick well. Now place the stencil onto your mirror. Take your time here. This is the most important step. Press everything down firmly so the vinyl sticks properly. Carefully remove the transfer tape. If pieces lift, just press them back down and try again slowly. Now it's time for the etching cream. Always follow the instructions on your bottle. Apply a thick, even layer over all open areas. Don't worry about using too much. You can scrape the excess back into the jar. Warning, this stuff is strong, so wear gloves and open a window. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. I added text using iron-on vinyl. Don't forget to mirror your design before cutting. Size your text based on your ribbon. Mine is about 4 centimeters wide, so I made the text around 1 centimeter tall. After cutting, weed your design and press it onto the ribbon. I press mine for 15 seconds at 300 degrees. Now back to the mirror. Wash off the etching cream, and don't forget to put on your gloves. Remove the vinyl, and your design will appear. At first it might look faint because it's wet, but once it dries, you'll see the frosted etched effect clearly. You can optionally add color with glass markers, but I personally prefer the clean etched look. And that's it. Your personalized etched mirror is finished. Such a simple project, but it turns into a really special gift. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching.